This video is on how to test fuel pressure on a 2006 Silverado. The only tool you'll need is a fuel pressure gauge. Pick this one up at the freight. First thing you do is unscrew this from the air duct, and then you just tilt this back and rock it out. You can see this clip here just slides under there, and then this holds it down on that. So now what we're looking at, now that we have access, is this cap right here. Take the cap off. Put it somewhere safe. Now we take this end of our fuel pressure tester and we screw it in just like you would a garden hose. Now all you have to do is turn your key to the run position so the power is on, but you don't have to start the truck. As you can see, I'm losing fuel pressure, which indicates that I have a fuel leak. Yep, that'll be the problem. One final thing, since normally there's pressure in this system, you'll want to get a rag and just catch any fuel that falls out as you unscrew it, because there will be a little bit of fuel. My fuel leak is really bad, so nothing dripped out. Put everything back together and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.